Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 12:30 GMT. Germany's imports at 6 GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Uber's core ride-hailing business posted its slowest revenue growth since the pandemic in the first quarter due to sluggish US travel demand, but executives signaled confidence in navigating the economic uncertainty with an upbeat forecast. World stocks lost ground, while US Treasury yields had mixed reactions, and the dollar gained some ground in choppy trading after the Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged and warned of higher inflation and labour market risks. The Bybit exchange has recovered its liquidity to pre-hack levels just 30 days following the February 2025 attack that drained nearly $1.5 billion in funds. Bitcoin's 1% market depth, a measure of liquidity, returned to pre-hack levels of around $13 million per day in March 2025.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair plummeted 1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.